How to maximize your approval odds on Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the section where Credit Karma shows credit card or loan recommendations. These offers usually come with an approval odds label such as excellent, good, or fair. This is based on how closely credit profile matches the typical approval criteria for that product. To improve these odds, start by updating all your personal and financial information on your Credit Karma profile. Make sure your income, housing status, and employment details are accurate. This helps Credit Karma provide better matched offers. Next, check credit reports for both TransUnion and Equifax. Look for any errors or outdated accounts that may be negatively affecting your score. If you find any, consider disputing them directly from the Credit Karma platform. Now you know how to maximize your approval odds on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.